Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads and an easy mirror image stamping technique and matching die cut. I'll be using the Brewed For You stamp set and matching die set, but you can do this technique with any bundle. Die cut the images of your choice. You'll need a silicone craft sheet and a bone folder. Have you ever noticed the little ridges on the back side of a die cut? We need to smooth these out. Ink your image with regular classic ink and stamp directly on the silicone craft sheet. Then place the die cut directly over the ink and rub to transfer the ink. Be sure to press evenly and go over it multiple times so that you don't miss a spot. Clean the silicone craft sheet with a baby wipe and it's good as new. I'm using 2 shades of yellow, Mango Melody and Daffodil Delight, and stamping off to create more variation in the color. I'm using a light Pool Party Stampin' Blend to add a little bit of blue to the glass. Now it's time for some double embossing to really make this look like glass. I'm pressing the entire surface into Versamark ink, sprinkling with clear embossing powder and heat setting. See how one layer leaves a dimpled effect? We'll fix that by repeating the process. It's amazing how our image looks like real glass now. I created left and right mugs and Pilsner glasses with left and right foam, and I varied my shades of yellow, all to create more variety. The cardstock base measures 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches. I scored it on the long side at 2 1/8 inches and 5 1/2 inches. I'm making a mark at the one end at 2 1/8 inches. Then I center that mark and the bottom of the score line in my cutting track and slice. Repeat on the other side. Fold as shown on the score lines and burnish. I used white cardstock for demonstrating purposes only, as my camera was not picking up the dark colors of my actual card. And here's my finished card using Starry Sky as my base. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. More details can be found at